Hi, this is Visi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage language, how to add or remove widgets on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Widgets are essential mini apps that sit on your desktop and give you quick access to frequently used information or tools. Think of MacBook widgets as little helpers that save you time and simplify your digital life. With widgets, you can check the weather, view to-do lists, monitor system performance, or control music. No spirit apps needed. So what if you want to add or remove widgets on your MacBook? It's very simple. First of all, you can just open your widgets on your MacBook. I will show you. So here's the widgets. My widget, I have weather, clock, calendar, notes. If you want to add another apps to your widgets, you can select on edit widgets. Now from here, if you want to remove, you can choose on the widget that you want to remove. For example, you want to remove this one, photos. I have no content for this, so I want to remove it. You can select in here. So now you have removed that widget from your that apps from your widgets. If you want to add another widget, we can choose on the widget that you want to add. Maybe for the example, I want to add uh, this. It's very simple, right? You can also add another one. Maybe you want to add a reminder. This. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add or remove widgets on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!